today you're watching in the News in Focus with me, Nabila N Afini. I'll present to you about the hot news for today, and the news is about space radio waves that are 8 billion years old were recorded by the Earth. Mysterious radio wave emissions from outer space that took 8 billion years to reach Earth have been detected. Could the source be alien life? Astronomers believe this finding is one of the farthest and most energetic beams of radio waves ever observed. Fast radio beams, or FRB, are very strong, millisecond-long radio waves of unknown origin. Many FIBs release super bright radio pulses that only last a few milliseconds and most before disappearing, making fast radio bursts difficult to observe. Radio telescopes help astronomers to track these vast cosmic places, including the Escape Radio Telescope in Wajari Yamaji Country, Western Australia. Astronomers used Escape to detect FRBs in June 2022 and determine where they came from. Study CEO author Stuart Ryder, an astronomer at Macquarie University in Australia, in a statement citing CNN Tuesday, October 19, said that by using the Escape parabolic or radio array, they were able to determine exactly where the burst came from. Then they used the European Southern Observatory Very Large Telescope in Chile to search for the search galaxy and found that it was older and more distant than any other RB search discovered to date and was likely in a small group of merging galaxies. The research team tracked the emission of these waves in what appeared to be cluster of 2 or 3 galaxies that were in the process of merging, interacting and forming new stars. This finding is in line with current theory that fast radio bursts could come from magnetars or high-energy objects resulting from exploding stars. Scientists believe fast radio emissions could be a unique method that can be used to weigh the universe by measuring matter between galaxies that is still unknown. Study CEO author Ryan Shannon, a professor at Swinburne University of Technology in Australia, in a statement said that if they counted the amount of normal matter in the universe, the atoms that make up all of us, we found that more than half that should be there currently lost. Ryan Shannon estimates that the missing materials spread in very hot conditions. They suspect that the missing material is hiding in the LHC space, but it's possible that the material is so hot and diffuse that it is impossible to see with normal techniques. So far, the result of the methods used to estimate the mass of the universe do not agree with each other. Shannon says that fast radio beams detect this ionized matter even in almost perfectly empty space. They can see all the electrons and that allows us to make sure how much matter is present between the galaxies. This method of using fast radio beams to detect missing material was demonstrated by the late Australian astronomer Jean Pierre or GP McCord in 2020. Writers say that GP shows that the farther away the fast radio emission is, the more gas is dispersed between the galaxies. This is now known as the McCord relationship. Astronomers hope future radio telescopes currently under the construction in South Africa and Australia will enable detection of thousands of fast radio emission at greater distances. This shows how promising this field is, because not only would you do this for 30 jets, you could do it for 30,000 jets. Create a new map of the structure of the universe and use it to answer big questions about cosmology. Okay, audience, that's all of the news for today. We meet again in the same time and same channel. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.